So once again, a very warm welcome to all the students and parents from Olympiad Success Family. So kids, you all know that we are here for a demo and interaction program for grade 4 mathematics level 2. Okay, and as we were discussing earlier, most of you have appeared for level 1 examination, and I believe many of you would have cleared the cutoff for level 2 as well. So congratulations everyone. So students, my first question to you all is, what is the difference between level 1 and level 2? You can write it down in the chat section. Meanwhile, Kushank, Jayanta and Ria, if you can turn on your videos, it would be really nice. It is harder than level 2 or level 1? 1.
That's the best answer, actually. But it's not true, okay? Today we'll see
Yes.
that only in the demo, that this is not so true as you think so.
Absolutely. But then why is it harder? Level 2 is more tricky.
Yeah, this is acceptable.
Correct. And anything else? The level 2 has national and international rank. Okay, Dash. So, but then that is more related to ranking criteria. So, but then in terms of questions, if we ask, then you have to tell the difference related to that. Okay. Check your intelligence, I guess. Yes. All right. So we have got nice answers from all the students. So yes, like of course, as Anaya had mentioned, level 2 is more tricky. So the questions are trickier. So, like trickier than your level 1 questions. And I'm sure like Priyasha ma'am, while giving her introduction, she would be mentioning, and as she has already mentioned, that you would be understanding in today's demo session, like what is the exact difference between level 1 and level 2. Okay, so kids, like for the today's session, because this is a demo session, there would be like a sequence of events which we follow. So first of all, there would be an introduction by your mentor, Priyasha ma'am. Post that, there would be a presentation by Rajan sir. So this would be focusing towards your course details. Post that presentation on, basically, I would be showcasing you the dashboard of Olympiad success. And after that, a question and answer round. And once that finishes, we will be starting with the demo session for which you all are here. Okay, all clear? Okay, Sanvi is always smiling. Thank you, Sanvi. And what about other kids? Can we see a smile on everybody's face? Yes, okay, thank you. So I'll request Priyasha ma'am to give a brief introduction about herself. So welcome, Priyasha ma'am. It's always wonderful to have you on the platform. And it would be nice if you can provide a brief introduction about yourself to the students.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much, Aarti ma'am. Hello, everyone. Good evening. I am very happy to see you people here. Guys, I'm very, very happy to see that you people are so enthusiastic regarding the level 2 preparation. Well, yes, as Aarti ma'am said, that I would be telling you a little bit about what the real difference is between level 1 and level 2. And of course, how we can, be better in level 2 and do much better in level 2 than in level 1 as well. So remember one thing, that in level 2, the questions will not come from a different topic. Like today also you are learning the same, let's say, factors and multiples. You will also get questions of factors and multiples in the level 2 as well. But what will be the difference? Always remember, mathematics was a very simple subject. It was only related with numbers. Then what happened? People started making words, adding words to the questions. You remember in kindergarten what kind of questions we were solving? 2 plus 3 is equals to how much? And the answer was? Answer was? You can show it with your fingers. Yes, 5. Now, as you moved to, let's say, standard 1, grade 1, there you observe that the same question came up as Alex went to the market He had 2 rupees with him. Meanwhile, his mom gave him 3 rupees more, and then when he gave it to the shopkeeper, he had a total of how much money? 2 rupees with him, 3 rupees from mom. Total is again the same, 5. Same thing happens in level 2 and level 1 also. In level 1, they are more formula based, right? Formula based means you know that you have to multiply two things to get an answer. You will be doing that. But when it comes to level 2, they will be actually not asking you the direct thing. They will make a story around it. And we have to be very clever in understanding how to convert the words back to numbers. Because when we get numbers, mathematics is very simple. So we'll learn that in the demo session only, guys. Okay. We'll see how we can change the long questions into simple numbers and solve it quickly. And yes, a very important trick which will help you a lot in level 2 is option elimination trick. That means without even solving the full question, you will learn how to pick up the right answer. That trick also we'll discuss in the demo today. All right. So you people will stay here, right? Just wait for 10-15 minutes more, and ma'am will be showing you all the important details regarding the Olympiad Success platform and as well as what kind of things will happen in your class. And then we'll quickly get started with the demo. Fine? Thumbs up? Okay, good then. We'll get started. So over to you, Aarti ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much,
Thank
Prasha
you.
ma'am. Thank you so much. Yeah, so Kate, you have to wait for just 10-15 minutes more, and then we will be starting with the presentation. Sorry, the demo class by Prasha ma'am, as she mentioned. So over to Rajan sir for a brief presentation.
Sure, ma'am. Just sharing the screen. So welcome students, welcome to the demo and interaction program for class 4 mathematics. This is for level 2. So firstly, let me tell about us about Olympiad Success. So Olympiad Success is India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad exams. We have Olympiad live classes. We also have School Plus program. So in School Plus program, we offer 8 courses that are mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication spoken written, both Vedic maths and coding. What else? Students, we also offer online CBSE plus Olympiad classes for grade 6 to 10 and one-on-one tuition classes for international mathematics Olympiad like SESMO, CMO, HKMO, TMO, Math Count, US Math Competition, Math Kangaroo, and PRMO. Now, meet rank holder for session 21-22. So many students in Olympiad Success got international ranks in different Olympiad exams. Now, students, about this course. So there will be around 20 students in the class, and the classes will be conducted on Zoom platform only. So there will be 3 sessions per week. The days are Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, Friday. And the class timing is 6:30 to 7:45 p.m. Okay. Now what we are going to do in this sessions. So in this sessions, we will have topic-wise quick revision of chapters, and after that, we will discuss a previous year question, particularly for level 2. Okay. Now, students, you will also get reading material and practice question, which is available on the dashboard of Olympiad Success. And with this course, you will also get free access to the Olympiad Success platform for level 2 mock test. Okay. Now, the syllabus link I will share with you in the chat box. The fees for this course is 3,720, and there will be 16 sessions in this course. We include online classes, daily reading notes and exercise, practice of previous year level 2 question. And as I said, you will also get access to the Olympiad Success platform for level 2 mock test. Okay. Now, students, in case if you are not qualified for level 2 exam, in that case, we will refund the fee after deduction of 10%. Okay. But in that case, you need to submit your roll number with us while enrolling for the course. Now, to join this course, what you need a laptop with good internet speed. And students, as you already appeared in level 1 exam, you know, Olympiad exam, you need to harder. So you need to spend approx 2-3 hours every day to cope up with the curriculum and solving the problems. Okay. Now the live classes for this course, we are going to start from 26th of December. And currently we having students from 3800 school, and we are catering in 35 plus countries. So this is about this course, student. Now Aarti ma'am will give you a tour of Olympiad Success dashboard. And after that, if anyone have any doubt, any query, you can just post in the chat. Okay. So over to you, Aarti ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much, Rajan sir. And let me now quickly share my screen. All right, so kids, what you have to do is, like, once you enroll for this program, you would be getting your email ID and password using which you can log into our platform. So you have to go to our website, which is olympiadsuccess.com, and go to the login page and enter your credentials. That is your email and password. Click on the sign in button and you will be redirected to the profile page. Make sure you complete the profile before moving to any other section on the dashboard. So the first important thing where you can find out the reading material practice question and answer key is this page, the live classes one. So what you have to do is you have to click on the subject drop down, select mathematics, and then select the topic. So let's say I select number system. Then here you see like various links for reading material practice questions and answer keys are available. You have to just click on any of the links for which you want to study. And you can just go through this, and for corresponding topics we have practice questions and answer keys. So you can practice from the practice questions given over here, mark your answers, and then compare your answers with the answer key given by Olympiad Success. All right, and if you click on the view schedule button here, so you would notice that all the 16 sessions have been structured very nicely. So what we would be taking up in session 1, session 2, session 3, and so on and so forth. So students, there are just 16 sessions, and we would be only brushing up, revising the topics. All right, we won't be going in detail. But then as you notice over here, so in session 1, we would be first revising. And then in session 2, we would be discussing and conducting a test. So this technique would be followed for the following sessions as well. And if you click on the holiday calendar, here the list of days would be displayed wherein the classes will not be conducted. And here Zoom meeting ID and password. So here your meeting ID and password will be displayed. The next thing is how to access your level 2 mock test. You have to click on the worksheet button and then go to math level 2 mock test. And then here you find all the 10 mock tests. So what you have to do is you have to just click on the take exam button to take these mock tests. And finally, you can view your answer keys by clicking on the performance tab, clicking on the subject, and then clicking on the view button, right? So this would be displaying your answer keys. So that is all about the platform. Now, if you have any doubts, queries, you can write it down in the chat section and we would be taking up your queries.
Anaya is raising hand. Anaya, you can write in the chat box if you have any doubt, any query. So do anyone have any doubt, any query? Or everything is clear?
All clear, I believe.
I think we need to start asking questions now, as per our old norm.
Yes.
Correct, ma'am. Okay. Sanvi is writing also, all clear. Okay. Okay, so students, can you tell me the days on which you're having the classes? You can write in the chat box. Monday, Tuesday, Friday. Monday, Tuesday, Friday. Yes, correct. The days are Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. Okay, and I is asking a question. What is the point of refund?
All right. So basically what happens is, like, in case if your level 1 result is not declared and if you enroll for this program, okay, and unfortunately you could not clear the cutoff for level 2 and you wish to discontinue for this course, okay, so you can do that, but then in that case we would be deducting 10% of the amount and refunding you back the remaining amount. Okay, and there is one more condition to it, like once you enroll for this, like while enrolling for this course, you have to provide your enrollment ID of the corresponding Olympiad examination. Okay, so there would be one ID, so that you have to provide to us your enrollment number. And there is one more question from Tanzil coming in. So Tanzil is asking, please tell me the best book for IMO level 2. So for that, like I would say, like there's no best book, because Success platform. Here we are providing you everything. So you have lots and lots to study. Okay, so
Artyom, I think your
the
voice is
practice
breaking in between.
questions, and we are providing you the mock test as well. And these classes are okay. I'll just turn off my video. Maybe internet connection is unstable. It's displaying.
Yes.
Just stop my video. Yeah, is it better?
Yes, now
Hello?
you're audible, ma'am.
Okay, so what I was saying is like there is no best book as such, but then Olympiad Success is providing you with all the relevant and good material. So we have the reading material, practice questions and answer keys. And apart from that, we are providing you with 10 mock tests also, which would be helpful for you to appear for the level 2 examinations. And apart from that, like these classes which we are conducting, okay, so this entire course of 16 sessions, there we would be focusing, so your mentor would be helping you out with all the questions and all sorts of questions which generally comes in the level 2 examination. So this all combined would be good enough for you. Okay.
Okay, any other questions, students? You can write in the chat box. Meanwhile, let me ask one more question. So can you tell me the timing for the classes? The timing for the class. Do anyone remember? 6:30 to 7:45.
Down the ID, please.
6:30. Will you explain the concept?
The concepts.
So Shalini, there will be
Practicing papers.
yes.
Yes, Rajan, so you can go ahead.
So Shalini, there will be two sessions. In one session, we will do revision, quick revision of the topic, and in the second session, we will do practice the question, particularly from level 2 papers of previous year Olympiad. Okay. So the classes start on 26th December. Yes, correct, Sanvi. Going to start the batch from 26th of December.
We have one more question from Tanzil coming in, like what will be the approximate cutoff for level 1 IMO this year? So I'm not sure about the approximate cutoff, so we need to check it out on their website, SOF's website, and from there we can identify like what would be the cutoff.
Correct. The timing is correct. It is 6:30 to 7:45 p.m. Okay, let me ask one more question. How many number of session will be there?
Nidhi is
16.
shouting. I could read her lips. Right, Nidhi? Good,
Yes,
you all are
correct.
correct.
Correct. Okay, do anyone have any other query, any doubt? No, we start.
No.
Okay. My son Abhimanyu, he has not received result of level 1 for class 4 maths IMO. His roll number is 024.
All right, so sir, in case if you are wishing to enroll for this program, this course, so what you can do is like you can enroll and then provide these details once you enroll with us. And once the result is declared, and we really hope that your child gets selected for the level 2. In case if he's not, and what you can do is like you can we can refund you the amount after deducting 10% from it. All right, so that can be done.
Sanvi saying IMO result is not declared.
Mhm.
Yep.
Okay, so any other questions, students, or any doubt, or shall we start with the session?
We should start. No, start it, please. Okay, fine, Sanvi.
Okay,
We'll start.
Mant is asking is logical reasoning part of the module? So Artyom, I think it is not. So
No, it is not the part of the module. Yeah, because logical reasoning as such, it's a separate subject, but yes, there would be few questions like we'll like do it, but then as such we do have other classes for logical reasoning or other course, so we would be focusing only on mathematics.
I think one parent is also raising the hand. Riya
Ria's
Roy.
mom, I believe.
Yes,
Ma'am,
yes.
do you have any query? You can write it down in the chat section.
Let me unmute her. Yes, ma'am, you can speak now.
Sir, chat box not working here. How can we do chat, sir? Can you
Ma'am, you will
please give me
find
permission?
yeah, all participants have the permission to write in the chat.
No, sir, we didn't get.
Ma'am, I have not restricted the chat for any student. Everyone can write. If you're facing a problem, you can join again, maybe.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, okay. Okay, students, so I think we can start with the session. Everything is clear? Do anyone have any other query?
Okay, for Ria's mom, maybe you can just put her into waiting room and bring her back. Maybe that can fix the chat issue. That's sir.
Yes, ma'am. I think they are joining again.
Okay, then it's perfect.
Yeah. Okay, I think, ma'am, we can
Okay, then
start.
everyone is ready? Yes, show me a thumbs up. All right, then I have a very nice and interesting topic for the day, which is factors and multiples. Okay, now factors and multiples, to be very honest, is a very easy topic when given in numbers. Okay, tell me how many of you are aware of this topic, factors and multiples? How many of you know about it? You can just, show me in the video, thumbs up or anything would be fine. Okay, great, great, great. That means all of you have. Okay, all of you know about factors and multiples. Great. Any idea of LCM or HCF? Any idea? Darsh is not aware. No problem, Darsh. We'll start from the scratch. Any idea about highest common factor and least common factor? Yes, HCF, LC. Okay, that's not factor. It's least common multiple. No one corrected me. Yes. Okay, good. That's fine. So I'll tell you what to do, when to do. But the interesting part, as I said in the beginning, that the only place where you will find that things don't work or things might go in a wrong direction in level 2 is where you realize that, oh God, now I'm not able to understand whether I should calculate the HCF or whether I should calculate the LCM. So in that case, what is going to be suitable for us? Of course, these sessions. So how we'll do that, we'll see. I have a very easy question to start with. Very, very easy. And I would expect all of you to answer only once in the chat box. Okay, please don't repeat your answer. Just write it once in the chat box. Very easy question to start with this. You all can do it. I have started getting answers. Some people are sending me direct answers. Good, intelligent people. Okay, great. Okay, okay. Some people have answered, some people I'm still waiting for your answers. Come on, get started. See, as I told you, this is an easy question to begin with because it's all related with numbers, isn't it? All simple numbers are present over here. So you remember I told you something. I told you something that we will be doing questions in two ways. One is the normal way and the second is the option elimination way. So let's get started with this process, everyone. Normal way, okay? I am a multiple of 70. Now, multiple of 70 means multiple of 7 also, right? So which number will come in the table of 7 can also give you the answer. Now, cancel the 0 over here. What are you left with, students? Is 34 in the table of 7? Is 37 in the table of 7? Is 40 coming in the table of 7? Of course not, ma'am. We know this much of maths. Of course, 42 comes in the table of 7. Way number 2. Way number 2. Look here, all the options are falling between 300 to 500. So this is called as superfluous data. You can write it down if you are having a notebook around you. This is called as superfluous data, specially seen in level 2 questions of IMO. I have designed the paper. I know they ask us to do this. Okay. They deliberately ask the people who make the questions to add some extra data. What is superfluous data? That is equals to extra information, extra info. Now, how will extra info be harmful for you people? Number one, you will waste your time reading that. Number two, you will waste your time thinking about that. And the question paper setter wants that. But you people are very intelligent. You will not do that. The moment you saw that something falling between 300 and 500 is the answer and all the options are between 300 and 500, you will remember Priyasha ma'am saying, you will remember that, okay, Priyasha ma'am told me in the class that superfluous data or extra information is something which we should avoid at all costs. Okay, now come to this part. I am 20 more than a multiple of 100. You people are aware of the fact that hundreds multiple will always end in a double zero. Yes, everyone knows it. 20 more than 100 can either be 120 or be 220 or be 320 or be 420. It cannot be 520 because my answer needs to be between 300 and 500. So which option is in 20s? Option D. So that's what I want to tell you people, that the same question can be done in multiple ways, like multiple ways. And even without solving the full question, you can apply these intelligent methods to get to the answer faster. Because remember, IMO is all about timing. The faster you solve the questions, the better you do in the exam. Correct? So we'll learn that in the regular classes also. All very good. Everyone is giving me the correct answers. 420. Yeah, 420 Hindi, everyone knows. That's why Harsh is laughing. Okay, question number 2. Question number 2 on your screen, everyone. I would give you only 40 seconds to read the question and think. Just think. No need to answer. Think about it. And then we will talk with each other what to do in this question. First, read and understand the question. Make a story in your mind. What is happening? Alex purchased a box of pens from the stationery store. Okay, Manit has started answering. The box contains fewer than 60 pens. The pens can be packed into packets of 4 or 7. Okay, so there are 2 choices, right? 2 choices. What is the maximum number of pens that can be possibly stored in the box? Tell me what's the option. Okay, many of you say option B. Fine, I agree. Let's see. But anyone, can you people tell me, is this a question of HCF, LCM, or factors or multiple? Simple. Simple, right? Simple question? Okay, since you all have given me the right answer, it's time for me to reveal the answer so that we can practice some more questions together. So listen, the first thing, everyone should adopt this method, okay? Especially in level 2, it will help you a lot. Everyone will adopt this method and learn this method. The question says, the box contains fewer than 60 pen. Am I right? Yes. Which option is more than 60? Which two options are more than 60? In the chat box, please. Thank you, Manit Ashwarya. Very good. You people are very quick in answering that. Good, Urvija, Anya, Shanvi, absolutely correct. You people are right. Yes, Kellen. Yes, Ria, you are right. C and D. Yes, Tanzil. Correct. Yes, Shubhosmita. That's right. C and D is automatically out of the game. It's automatically out of the game. No need to worry. Now you will only do one thing. Yes, Siddeshwar. Correct. Now you will do one thing. You will take 4, you will take 7. Your packs have to be a number which is the least common multiple. That means LCM. Why LCM? Why are we using LCM? Because the number which we want should be in the packs of 4 also and should be in the packs of 7 also. So any number which falls in the table of 4 also and 7 also will of course be option B, 56. Correct? So that's my answer. That's how you will convert the words into numbers. I hope everyone is clear with this. Yes, Aishwarya, 28 could have been the answer, but since we don't have the option as 28 is over there, we'll go with 56. Correct? Okay, perfect. If any one of you are having any doubts or questions, right, please type it down in the chat box. I'll be happy to answer you, but I won't be able to unmute you because this being a demo session, right? We have some protocols. We won't be able to unmute you. Okay, question number 3. Mike works for an event management company and went to a party store to get some party decorations. So just no problem, Nidhi. We will learn that in the regular classes, like the normal process of finding out the LCM. Today in this class, I will teach you how you can get the answers without even proper calculations. Okay, that's what we need to learn in level 2, because level 2 is all race of quickness, speed. Okay, so we'll work on that. Don't worry, Nidhi. I will make sure that you will be able to solve every question in the class here without even knowing LCM. Have faith in a teacher. Okay, so I have started getting some answers. Manito Aishwarya, okay. Sanvi, okay. I'll give you a shortcut here. Okay, but this shortcut is a secret between us. Okay, pay attention, everyone. LCM stands for multiple, right? Correct? Everyone knows this, multiple. And HCF stands for factor, right? Yes. Now, what are the 3 numbers you see on the question in the screen? What are the 3 numbers you see? Can you people type it and tell me in the chat, please? What are the 3 numbers you see? Thanks, everyone. You people are great. Very good. 20, 10, and 8. Now look at the options. This is how you can trick the people. Look at the options. What do you think? These options are multiples or factors? All these options are smaller than 20, 10, and 8. So they are multiples of factors. Intelligent people here. Manit, Aishwarya, very good. Since they are smaller numbers, they are factors. Yes, Shubhomita, that's right. Yes, Riya, we are having factors over here. Did we do it nicely? Yes. Even without knowing the normal process of calculating HCF and LCM, we can easily clear these questions. Let us see how. Do you think that 5 is dividing all the numbers? No. Which number is not divisible? Which number is not divisible by 5 out of these 3? 8. Very good. Very good. Super intelligent people in the house. Very nice. Now let's take 4. Which number is not divisible by 4? 10. Excellent, Jian. Very good. Very good, everyone. Very nice. And which number is not divisible by 3? You will say all of them. Yes, who was that? Ashwarya. Very good. All of them. Actually, the first one to write that was Anya. Very good. That's right. All of them not working. But 2 is the only number which divides 20 also, 10 also, and 8 also. Correct. All go. Yes, Shubhamita. So that makes the answer as option A. We can pack the bags or we can pack the things into two bag each. So balloons will also go two, party banners will also go two, like that. Understood? Yes. Great. Perfect. Any doubts, any questions? No? Next question, thumbs up. Ready? Yeah. Okay. Question number 4 on your screen, a easy true and false question. Easy true and false question. Many of you have answered. Manit, Aishwarya, Sanvi, Siddheshwar. Good. Ria. Okay. Hi, Jayanta. I think you joined now. Okay. Shubhamita. Good. Urvija. Sanvi has changed her answer. Okay. Many of you are my old students, huh? Welcome back. Tanzil, Darsh. Good. Good job. Okay. What are we going to do here? See, what's the normal process of doing this question? Everyone knows it, right? What's the normal process of doing the question? The normal process is that, ma'am, we'll keep checking each options, right? All the 5 statements. But we'll not do that because we are learning for level 2, not for level 1. So what we'll do here is we'll try to reduce our time. And how will we do that? If every option says that the first letter or the first line is true, will you, being a smart person, check number 1? No, that's a wastage of time. Why would we even waste 5 seconds for it? We will not. We'll save time here. Now we'll go to number 2. Now I know that if I am able to get the second one as false, I will get my answer directly. And if I don't get it false, then I can eliminate one option easily. So let's check that. 25 is a factor of 625. Of course, it's true because 25 into 25 is 625. That means option C is eliminated. Yes, correct, Subhamita. That's right. Now, again, look at it. True, false, true. If I'm able to prove that the statement number 3 is false, I will get my answer. Otherwise, I will eliminate one option. 2, 4, and 6 are factors of 24. Very well. Yes, because all these 3 numbers divide 24. So they are factors. True. Option B, gone. Now, what's the only difference between A and D? The last 2 letters, numbers, or whatever, sentences. 2 is the factor of 8, which is absolutely true or not? True. So, what will we do? We will say, what? True, right? But it is not the smallest. Who was this? Who was this? Aishwarya, very good. It's not the smallest factor of 8. Smallest factor of any number is always 1. So that makes it false. And I got my answer as option A. Got it, everyone? Understood? So I just checked 3. I just checked 3 out of 5 and I saved at least 10 to 15 seconds of mine in not checking 1 and 5. Very good, Dash. Yes, that's right, everyone. Good, good, good. Okay, thumbs up for the next question. Fifth one, ready? Good. Okay. Here's question number 5. Yeah, Dash, that's right. Harry works as a gym coach and requires Nikki to swim every 6 days, every 4 days, and cycle every 16 days in order to stay fit. If she follows her coach advice and completes all the 3 activities, how many days will she complete all the 3 activities on the same day? Now, you people try it on your own. I'll give you 45 seconds and then I'll start giving you hints. Okay? Meanwhile, ma'am will have some water. Ten seconds left. And let's start. Many of you are saying D is the answer. We'll check it. We'll check it. Okay, can anyone in the chat help me and tell me what are the 3 numbers we see in this question? See, that's the first step. Okay, extract numbers from word problems. What are the 3 numbers you have? Very good, Sanvi. 6, 4, and no, I think you typed it a little wrong. No. 6, 4, and 16. That's right, Sanvi. Thank you. 6, 4, and 16. In the options, what do you think? The options are bigger or smaller than 6, 4, and 16? Bigger or smaller? Bigger, says Ashwarya. Very good. Yes, Manit, right. Bigger. Step 1, find out the numbers. Step 2, look at the options and determine they are small or big. If they are small, they will be the factors. If they are big, they will be the multiples. Very good, Sanvi. We'll have to calculate the LCM here. But I am considering that few kids of mine in this class are unaware of how to do the LCM, right? So for those people, I will be giving you the option elimination technique. Okay? So focus, how to do this. We have bigger numbers, so we'll find the multiple. Finding multiple means which is that option which is divisible by all the 3 numbers 6, 4, and 16. Do you think 23 is divisible by any number? Because 23 is a dash number. Fill in the blanks. 23 is a dash number. Odd number? No. 23 is a prime number. Very good, Manit. Yeah, I know it's an odd number, but then still, like, it's not the reason why it's not divisible. Okay, prime number. Very good. So 23 is not going to be my answer at any cost. Think about 36. Do you think 36 comes in the table of 16? No. Very good. So this is also out of the game. What is the problem with 46? 42? Can anyone tell me which number does not divide 42? 16 does not divide along with it. 4. Very good. So 42 is also out of the game. We are left with only one option. Look, without even doing any calculation, only by mental calculation, we got the answer of such a big question. That is 48 days. Why? 48 comes in the table of 16. 48 comes in the table of 4 as well as 6. Any questions? No? Perfect. Ready for the next question then? All of you? Thumbs up. Wow, perfect. You are so enthusiastic. Very nice. I loved it. Question number 6 on your screen, everyone. Use the same 3 steps, okay? Find out the numbers, determine what you have to do, HCF or LCM, depending upon the options, and then calculate. You guys are so quick. You guys are genius. Okay, great. I'll just wait for all the people to answer and then I'll start. Kaelan, if you can turn on your camera, that would be great. I would be easily seeing you and seeing at your answer both. Okay, let's start. Everyone has answered me most probably. So we'll start. What are the three numbers we see on the screen? Very good, Aishwarya, Manit. Very nice. Okay, so 35, 63, and 56 are the three numbers we see on the screen. Good, Jian. Thank you. These are the three numbers we see on the screen. What's the second thing we'll be doing? We'll look at the options. Options are bigger or smaller? Options are smaller. Yes. Who wrote this? Who wrote this? Aishwarya says as options are lower. Okay, that means smaller. Very good, Aishwarya. Good, Manit. Good, Sanvi. They are smaller. So we will go by factors. And factors means HCF, right? Without calculating HCF, we will do option elimination now. What kind of option elimination? We'll try to see which option divides all the three numbers. Yes, yes, Ria. 4. Okay. Which number is not divisible by 4 in 35, 63, and 56? 63 is not divisible. Good. 35 is also not divisible. Very good. So 4 is gone. Which option creates a problem for 5 to be the answer? Which number? I mean, 63, 56. Very good. Which number creates problem for 6? 63, 35. What about 56? 56 comes in the table of 6. Of course not. Does it? No. So that means 6 has problem with every number. Now we come to our winner. 7 fives are 35. 7 nines are 63. 7 into dash is 56. Again, a fill in the blank. 8. Very good. Okay. Superb, people. Very nice. Awesome. Okay, then. So you all have got the logic now. Now you will be doing the questions all by yourself. Okay. And this time I'll put a timer to the question. Fine. Ready? Thumbs up. Okay. Question number 7 on your screen, and your time starts now. No guesses, okay? Full calculation, no guesses. Aishwarya, you gave the answer in 8 seconds. Sanvi, I got your answer in 10 seconds. Manit, I got your answer in 18 seconds. Ria, Jayanta, I'm so sorry. You guys have come up with very fast answers, okay? I'm just giving you 1 minute to complete. So I'm waiting till 1 minute for everyone's answer. Guys are super fast. Look at the clock on my camera. It's still 38 seconds and you guys are like killing it. Very good. Okay, I'll just wait for 1 minute, okay? So you have 13 seconds. Good, good, good. Almost everyone has answered. Anyone left? 5 seconds. Subhashmita is sending me a smiley. And time up, time up, time up, time up. Very good. 1 minute. Everyone in the class has given the answer, most probably. That's a lovely batch I have got. Very good. Okay, we'll see. Okay, how many answers are correct? How many answers need correction? We'll see that. Number 1 step, Priyasha ma'am always goes by the step-by-step procedure. Okay, that is always giving me peace. So we'll take that. Yeah, thank you, Sanvi, for the smiley. So 45 is one number here. We have 54 as the other number here, and the third number is 27. The moment Priyasha ma'am collects all the numbers, she goes and sees, have a look on the options. Options are all smaller. Just in the previous question, Priyasha ma'am just told you guys that the smaller numbers means factors and factors means HCF. Correct. Very good. So what do we do in this case? We'll see which option will divide all the three numbers given over here. 45, 54, and 27 is going to create problems for 4, 11, and 22, and thus my answer is 9. 9 into 5, 45. 9 into 6, 54. 9 into 3, 27. And therefore, such a easy way to calculate the answer, isn't it? Is it not fun? Tell me truly, okay? Is it not fun? It is, right? It's a very easy process of calculating such hard questions. I can guarantee you, kids, you go to school, okay, ask your friends to solve this question. They will make a full table. I'll tell you what they'll do, okay? They'll make a full line like this. They will write the numbers like this. They'll write 45, 54, and 27, and then they'll start dividing these numbers by 3. Then they'll divide these numbers again like this. This is not wrong. This is absolutely correct and absolutely necessary in your schools also. Otherwise, you will not get the step marks. But when it comes to Olympiads, you'll have to reduce the time. Okay? Good then. Let's go and do another question. Yes, Shubhamita. That's right. Okay. Question number 8 for you people. This time, no timer. Do it yourself. Not much, Sanvi. We have 10 questions only. So now, after this, 2 more questions and then we'll wind up the class. Good, Kaylin. Did you turn on your camera, Kaylin? No, I think. Abhimanyu, Mugdha, are you guys there? SK, I can't see your answers also, and neither can I see you people. Kaylin, I can see you. Thank you for turning on your camera. Lovely. Okay, fine. We'll go by the same step. Step 1, 64, 56, 40. Good, Jian. Step 2, look at the options. Small is equals to factor is equals to HCF. Aishwarya, very good. Copy pasting, huh? And number 3, which number creates problem? Of course, 10 cannot be the answer because the other options are not a factor, I mean a multiple of 10. Now, if I go and check for 5, 64 creates a problem for 5. If I go and check for 8, what will happen? Will the thing will work? Yes. Because 40 is not divisible by 7. So we got our answer as 8 inches. 8 all go. Yes. 8 is the winner here. No problems for 8. Correct. Very good. Okay. 9th question. Everyone is ready? I'm going to put a timer. If everyone is ready, let me know. I'll put a timer. Everyone ready? Okay, great. Now we'll have a timer game. Question number 9 on the screen. Oh, this is very easy. And your time starts now. Oh my God, Manit, that was insane. 4 seconds, I think. 6 seconds, actually. Aishwarya, 8 seconds, 69 microseconds. Sanvi, 10 seconds. Anya, wait. Oh my God, it's so difficult to see the timing. So many people. I'm so sorry. Okay, no, I have the timings. So 6 seconds for I'll tell you guys. Okay, I can tell you the first 5 timings. Now it's 41 seconds. Please go and do it fast. Those who have not done it, then I'll tell you people the timings. 8 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time up. Look where it stopped. 99 milliseconds. Okay, so just to tell you that the first answer came from Manit, and that was in 6 seconds, and then 15 seconds from Aishwarya, then 20 seconds from Sanvi, 23 seconds from Ria, and then 30 seconds from Anya, and then 37 seconds from Shubhamita, and then I lost the track. Sorry, you people are so fast. What should I do? Anyways, your answers are all correct, guys. Of course, 12 and 24 is the answer. The reason being that is the numbers should be less than 30. So D cannot be the answer. Mhm. The number should be a multiple of 6 and 4. So what is the problem? Okay, what is the problem with this? Can anyone tell me? What is the problem with option C? Quick. Which number is not divisible by what? 6 is not divisible by 4. Very good. So this is also gone. 8 and 16 is gone because, of course, 4 is dividing 16, but 6 is not dividing 16. Same for 8. And so we are left with one answer. Your name is Anya or Anya? Okay, when we meet in the regular classes, I'll unmute you and I'll learn from you and then I'll take your name. Okay? Fine then, cool. We have the last question for the day, everyone, and after that we'll wind up. No timer, Anya. No timer. Last question, no? Okay, in this question, I'll give you people ranks and I expect 20 answers, okay? I expect 20 answers. The first rank goes to Aishwarya, second to Sanvi, third to Manit, fourth to Tanzil, fifth to Jayanta, sixth to Kailin, seventh to Nidhi, eighth to Shubhosmita, and ninth to Siddheshwar, 10th to Ria, and 11th to Anya Jain. And then I think Anya, you already answered at the top. No. Okay. Then Anya Arora, you get the 12th rank. Darsh 13th, Urvija 14th, Yashu 15th, and Jian 16th. I still have 4 people who have not answered. Who are they? Answer, please. Tex and Max were handling out fruit and vegetable saplings. I'll not read the story because I don't want to waste my time. I have 3 numbers 49, 63, 28. I have the options which are smaller than this. So I'll find out the HCF. That is the factor. 14 is not dividing these numbers, so it's gone. 12 is not dividing these numbers, so it's gone. 9 is not dividing this number, so it's gone. And therefore, we have our ultimate soul winner, number 7. Yes. 7 sevens are 49. 7 nines are 63. 7 fours are 28. And with this, the very last question of our session today. Yes, Dash, you will get big numbers, but then it's just a matter of division, okay, which we'll learn in number system, right? Yeah. No, last question is not a question, but it's a general question. How was the session? How was the class? That's the last question for you people. How was the class? Terrific. Okay, thank you so much, Sanvi. Yashu says it's good. Thank you, Yashu. Can't imagine. Oh my God. Okay. Jayanta, nice. Ashwarya, enthusiastic. Thank you. Amanit, you left your A. Okay, it's now amazing. What is amazing class? Okay, Ria, good. Thank you. Of course, Urvija, I do remember you from my reasoning classes. How do you think I'll forget you? Okay, Sanvi, Anya, thank you so much, both the Anyas. Thank you, Nidhi. Thanks, Tanzil. Thank you, Manit. Thank you, Aishwarya. Thank you so much, Darsh. I will definitely see you people in the level 2 classes, okay? So see you on 26th of December. Thanks, Sudeshwar. I'll see you all on 26th December now, okay? And just a second, in case any one of you have not copied the links, is there anyone who has not copied the link yet? Then I will just quickly copy paste that again in the chat to you people and then say a quick bye-bye. I'll unmute you people, okay, for a bye-bye session. So ready for bye-bye? Okay, bye-bye everyone.
Bye,
See you
ma'am.
on
Bye,
26th.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.